Hey guys, welcome to Step by Step Farming. Today I want to share with you all the plant that everyone should have in their home. Stay tuned. Okay, so some of you all may have seen this plant. I'm sure that most of you already know what this is, but this is an aloe vera plant. Now, this is a plant that everyone should really have in their home. Why should they have in their home? Well, today I'm going to be talking about the external use. Now, this plant you can actually use for internal and external uses. But today I'm only going to do a very short video explaining to you all the uses and some of the uses of the external uses of this plant. So one of the number one things that I keep this plant for is if you have a wound, a cut, especially if you burn yourself, if you're in the kitchen or if you're cooking or something happens and you burn yourself, this is your number one go-to guy. And it has so many good and medicinal purposes to it. It definitely has a cooling use for it. So inside of these beautiful plants is a gel, all right? And I've seen actually aloe vera leaves where they're like humongous, but this is one that you can find pretty much anywhere. You can find it at your local garden center. You can buy them online. You can even probably find them in your grocery store. I've seen them at the grocery store a lot of times. So they're pretty much Walmart. They're pretty much, you can buy them anywhere. But when I first bought this, it was much smaller. It wasn't quite as large. So it is doing a pretty good job. Okay, so for example, I'll just show you. If you get a cut, if you get a burn especially, all you need to do is just break off a piece of it. You don't even need a lot. So I'm going to break this off and I'm going to bring it a little bit closer to you. I don't know if you can see it very well. There you go. Okay, so if you see, when I'm squeezing it, there's like a gel. And actually, I'm going to use my nail and open it up. Okay. I don't know if you all can see that. So you see there's like a gel. It almost kind of looks a little bit like snot. Okay, this is perfect. This is like what you're going to need. So if I have like a burn or something like that, I just basically take it, or you can just take the leaf and just rub it on your skin. And it will help as far as blistering, and it will kind of cause the burning sensation, like if you burn or if you wound yourself or cut yourself, to subside quite a bit. Now, I know that we've seen like lotions and creams and things like that that has aloe vera. Those actually only have like maybe 10% of the aloe vera actually in it, and scientifically they say you need to have at least 30% of the aloe vera to actually do something. So I'm not really sure how well those creams work that say they have aloe vera in it. It's just always best to have this. And I will be doing some later videos on the gel. Also, you can internally you can drink aloe vera juice, and I will be talking about that. For the gel, also you can use it externally. I've read for like acne, psoriasis, skin kind of disorders. You could put the gel, that type of thing. It has like a great healing property for your body. So anyway, I just want to do a very, very short video, and then you'll notice here, like I cut this piece off, right? And you may notice, for example, let me turn this around. It will actually kind of heal itself. It's kind of a weird way to put it, but the tip that you actually break off, it will actually seal and heal itself up. So that, if you kind of look at it, that's actually just exactly what it's going to be doing to your skin. It's going to heal it, and then seal that up. Here's another piece right here that you can see has been broken off, but it's sealed itself up. So just as far as taking care of it, you want to give it about maybe 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. If it's a very young plant, you want to give it a little less than that, not too much sun. And also for the watering process, you want to stick your finger in it about maybe 2 inches. And if it's very dry, then you want to give it a little bit of water. So that's pretty much it. They're very easy to take care of. They grow very well. And you can split them off and transplant them, which I'll do at a later date. I don't think this plant is really at that point right now. I don't want to mess it up. So I hope this was helpful. You guys, again, if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. If you feel like it's useful, share it. And go out there and get yourself an aloe vera plant. Thanks for watching. Bye.